here we have a magnitude plot. So the frequency and, for example, voltage, here we have a phase plot belonging to the same system. Here we have the group delay, which is 9 minus the derivative of the phase versus omega, which is the delay plot. Then we can make a polar plot in which the length of the vector is the magnitude and the angle is the phase. And then, of course, we have the pole zero plot. And here at the end, we have the step response. All those pictures are related because they're all characterizations of the same system. Well, I hope you are familiar with this. This is what we are going to use for amplifiers as well. But of course, the theory is wider than only for amplifiers.